Are you carrying some shoulder and neck tension right now? This move is not only going to melt that away, it's going to generate some fire. We can use that fire to heal the heart. Let's just get going. Palms together. We're just rubbing them gently together. Little friction, building up some heat. There's points on the palm itself, right in the center is a pericardium point that's very important, as well as heart points. And those points on the meridians are just fire element points. So we're generating some energy, activating the fire in our body in a good way. So hands feeling a little warm now? Okay, we're going to lift one shoulder up or one elbow up and look the opposite way and do that in a rhythm. This is dragon looks at its tail. Very good movement for releasing tension in the neck and shoulders. So we've got that happening here. As you do it, you're rocking back and forth from one butt cheek to the other butt cheek. Just get into that rock, looking over the shoulder. Listen to your body. Always stay within a comfortable range of motion. Yeah, put some energy into it, mainly just rubbing the palms together. It's a very nice movement for activating the fire element, releasing tension in the neck and shoulders, getting the whole heart and pericardium meridians moving. They run down the arms into the hands. So, yep, just get some fire going and then come back to center. We did that Qi ball exercise before. Now we're just radiating that energy into our heart. Just feel that moving in. This is a perfect one for, a hard day at work. Taking a little break, just getting the tension out of the neck and shoulders, and then bringing the joy back in. Just bringing that passion for life back in, letting everything go that's weighing heavy on your shoulders, and just bringing in some joy. And we'll do another round. Starting first with just rubbing the hands together. Now we're going to add a mudra, that smile mudra. Remember that? That just totally changes things. The body knows, hey, we're doing happy right now once you start smiling. So just put a smile on your face, and then we'll go into the movement. Looking over the shoulder, keeping the smile going. Yeah, dragon looks at its tail. You could be like a little fancy dragon. Say, hey, there's my tail. I'm looking really good. So, very good movement. Just keep looking at your tail. Bringing that joy back into your life. Moving out that stagnant energy that's stuck in the neck and shoulders. This is a good one. You'll want to do this one again. You'll want to come back. This one's worth its weight in gold. All right, slowing down back to the center and just radiating that energy into the heart center. If you've got a place in your body that's not feeling so well, you can just radiate into that place as well. Just move your hands if your gut's feeling kind of bad or something. So you can use the energy. We did activate kind of the lung meridians, but we also activated the small intestine. The heart and the small intestines are a pair. They're both fire elements and they're paired together. So this would be perfect for your small intestines as well. Little fire into that small intestines to balance it out. Yeah. We're going to do an activity tomorrow for getting rid of upset. So you want to get rid of that, any kind of emotional upset or trauma that's just happened. Let it go. Bring yourself back to center. It's a good one to learn so you can use it when you're in the midst of something. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'll see you tomorrow.